Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can show a percentage different from a different category, different product, different year. So let's start with a small example. I create a pivot. So I'll take in category wise total sale as in cumulative for all the years. I'm just analyzing that. I wanted to know in comparison to meat, if we compare this product with the other, are they ahead in sale or behind in sale in comparison to meat? So if they are ahead from the meat sale, how much percent? If they are behind from that sale, then how much percent? So what we can do, we can right click here, we can go to the show value as on, and then we say difference from. If I'll choose a difference from, I'll get a difference value. Based value is a meat and I'll get the difference value. If I'll choose a percentage difference from, I'll get a difference in percentage. Let's do in a percentage difference from. So it is saying which is your base field. So in this case my category is there, so this category is my base field. What is your base item? You can choose any of the base item available to you. So I will choose this meat as an base item. So meat item will be come as in blank when I click on OK. Look at here, I click on OK. Meat item is coming as in blank because it's a base, and we can easily see which particular category is ahead from the meat and which particular category is behind from the meat in terms of sales. So beverages are ahead, and then other negative values are the behind. You can see from here dairy products are ahead. So these two are ahead, other are behind from the meat as in sale. So I hope you understand that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.